Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be using a little bit of a filter because your girl look crazy. But this is real life right now, guys. I barely wear makeup unless I'm going live or I'm actually going somewhere. But yeah, I know you guys are still waiting for my labor and delivery video. I don't know if I'm filming that yet. I haven't really talked about my labor in the last couple of months. The last times I did kind of cry. So I don't know. I did have a C-section though, which was not planned, but maybe in the future. My munchkin is looking at me like, "Mommy, who are you talking to?" But I guess you'll get used to it, cutie. She is watching Encanto and apparently not watching Mommy. But I thought I'll share my basic kind of routine day with you guys. I'm trying to lift up my shirt because I am wearing a big baggy one. But yeah, so I need to re-dye my hair. As you can tell, I do have a little bit of a mess everywhere because of that little person. But yeah, I won't be showing her too much. Me and my husband kind of decided that we're really gonna try to minimize her being on social media. But you might see her here and there, like right now. You just got a little cute peek of this cute little face my baby has. But yeah, so let's go ahead and just get on with the day, right? So usually as soon as she wakes up, she honestly wakes up and then wants to go to sleep within an hour again and sleeps for another 40 minutes to an hour. And then we come downstairs. I usually put her in the jumper while I eat cereal, breakfast, or whatever I decide to eat. Yeah, she watches Encanto. I'm surprised she hasn't started crying yet. Oh, little boogie, gotta take out the boogie. Cutie. And then I start floor time. I read books to her, and we play. I usually try not to do anything with lights or anything crazy like that, just because I've read a lot of things that you shouldn't kind of do that, expose them to too much of that. Just like you shouldn't have them watch TV. I usually turn it off and we play on the floor. But yeah, that's literally my day. That's my cereal bowl and her little kind of thing that I have about her stuff. But yeah, that's literally my mornings. And then she'll be ready for a nap. And then my husband honestly gets home. He usually takes her, and that is when I start cooking dinner and everything else. That's when my real routine starts, I guess you could say, other than being with my munchkin all day. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. So she actually just started wanting to eat, like purees and stuff. I started her at 4.5, almost 5 months, per doctor's request. And she is 7 months and honestly just started at like 6.5 months. I've been giving her apples though in a little thing, basically. I'll show you guys what the thing's called. I don't remember. And she actually really likes that. She could bite it. And then I am giving her smashed potatoes today. She's had a couple of other ones. She eats it. Some days she eats the whole thing, and some days she only takes a little bit and just, well, don't want it. But it is what it is, right? So the apples are actually, I boil them. And then I just put them in the fridge. And she'll have this like 2 times a day. Yesterday she had them 3 times because she kept devouring it. And yeah, so I just keep it in the fridge for her. But I forget what this thing's called. This is real life. I'm pumping and feeding her. I seriously forgot that I was vlogging. I'm going to make the Southern Pepper Jack turkey burgers. I already did most of it. It's in the oven right now. But my little mess. I did decide to make broccoli as well since we have so much broccoli, which I haven't made for the baby. Should probably just make it for her and see if she likes it. I'm currently watching, what is it called? The Ultimate Ultimatum, I believe, on Netflix. Very interesting. And then I got Misfits on accident. I subscribed because one of my friends told me about it. And then I got it in the mail and I was like, oops. Didn't actually let me get it. But I got some strawberries and stuff, so I guess that works out. It's God's way of telling me eat more fruta. I'm going to make some of this Epic Fruity Pebble cake. It comes with the confetti cake frosting and the Fruity Pebbles. I usually don't make things like this, but I've been liking doing things since COVID started from scratch, but I thought this kind of looked fun and springy. So my husband and I said red velvet cake or this, and he picked this. So this is what I'm gonna make. All right. Casual 8 o'clock routine, 8:45 I should say. Boiling water for her bottles. I just made the cupcakes. I only did half, and the other half I did without the frosting because we're old and we don't like that much sugar. Then I already got her next bottle after I pumped, and that's it. 9 o'clock, 9:30, I go upstairs with my munchkin and we go to bed. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this kind of day in a life as a mom of a 7-month-old. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.